end result. This is how this like. It looks so bomb, guys, and yeah. This is what my dad will be having. This looks so bomb, guys. Yeah. Welcome to the circle with Caddy family. Today we're gonna be making pepper steak, and here we have Shay. I don't how to cook. Okay, have fun. Don't. Not for now. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna be doing is we're gonna be washing my steak. Deep hole. My daddy is cooking already now. When I'm going to do my mouth. Now I'm going to be putting some vinegar. Shane, I need to plate him. You said you didn't need it, Eddie. Hey, Susie. Don't forget to make Susie bread. Are you okay, Susie? Yeah. Can you take it off? Thank you, Susie. Is that good? Fix to me, Sammy. I am a superhero. I can fix everything. That's it. I can fix everything. Hey, this is not how you fix. This is how you fix. I am a superhero. That was my next. Come with that. Is it yeah? Is it yeah, Susie? This is down here. This is down here. Then where will I? How about it? Susie, how do you go on the hot? Because there's such a meat. Yeah. That's right. Okay, how do you bread it? Like this. Oh, this how you do it? I'm going to do half, you do half, okay? Okay, we are going to do half, okay? Can we touch it our hands now? No. What? Can you put this in the trash, please? Yes, of course. Thank you. So this is what we pasta. And this the trash. And this is paprika. Is it mine? Can I have it? No. You can put it inside. Okay, so you see? Paprika. Okay, let me open it. And you want I put it inside? Yeah. Or you put it a little bit. When you put the shelf, you should put it everywhere, okay? So then I'll put the paprika. Paprika everywhere. Paprika. Is it done? No. We don't need to add more. No, I should. Look this, Susie. You're welcome. Sick. Is that done? Yeah, I think it's done. Put it down. So can you give me the salt? No, we're going to use this. Now I'm going to put it inside the sauce. Now we're going to put it inside the sauce. Can I try? Can I try, please? Because let me go happy you had to go. Okay. Can I try? That's enough. I'm going to be putting garlic powder. Shay's going to be putting it, actually. Then you have to do the side with the 3 holes. Oh, tell them what you're putting. I put it. Oh, I knew what you said, no? Garlic powder. Okay. Don't tell me. Okay. Garlic powder. Now put it in. Don't make it mess. That's what I was helping you. Okay, so I'm gonna be putting inside a garlic paste. Okay. It's gonna be you? Yeah, it's my turn. This is gonna fall. That is too much. That's one goop. I'm gonna mix it now. No, can you put this in the sink? Thank you. Let me put in some sugar. Yes. How does it get caught? I don't want to eat some. I just want to take some. Now let me put inside my soy sauce. There's only one goop. I think when we're done putting this, can we mix? So I think when we're done putting this, can we mix? Okay. Let me put inside my onion powder. So here's how I do it. Hey, you can always go do it. Now let me put inside my beef bouillon. Do it too. Now let me put inside my oyster sauce. How do we oyster sauce? Oyster sauce. There's no oyster sauce. Now I'll be putting my garlic paste. Can you put this in the sink for me, please? Yes. Thank you, Shane. Susie, when I put this in the sink, I'll go with my head. So you guys, I'm going to be putting inside my baking soda. I'm putting inside 1 scoop. And back. Just put it in at once. Please. You have to wash your hands. Can you help me? I don't need help. I want my hands. No, can you touch it? Cat. Wait for me. 3, 2, 1. It's too mixy. Let's mix it. I took out it, Susie. No, Shay, not like that. Look how I'm doing it. I'm so happy to buy next. That's enough. That's enough. I think that's enough. Do you want to help again? Yes, I just need to go get some soap. I'm going to need some soap too. Now I'm going to be wrapping. Huh? No, Jesus. You don't need to cut that. Wait, let me go pick this up. Wait. Be careful, Shay. Where are you putting the fridge? We'll go freeze it. I want some. I'm going to be cutting some bell pepper. First is red. I'm going to cut this one. So you're going to cut orange. Oh, we're going to cut and yellow. We'll cut. So Shane, we have to cut it here, okay? Now what? I have to do it. I'm going to cut this first. Look at this. Let me cut one. Cook. I'm so mad. I'm doing this. There's an easy way to cook like this. And don't go around, Mommy.
Yes, Papa, you're doing good.
Susie's doing good too.
Yes, Papa, she is. She's a big time cook.
I am the biggest cook ever.
Yes, Papa.
That means
no one hypes you, hype yourself.
that
Focus,
means
okay? Focus.
we have to help ourselves. That's what it means.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you for showing me.
You're welcome, Papa.
You almost did it on me. So you guys, now I'll be chopping my green onion. So Shane, you have to put it this, okay? 1. Oh, I did it wrong too. I did it wrong again. I did it wrong. I'm doing 1. 2. That is easy. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now it's time to fry. But don't put too much. Put too much. I'm gonna be leaving it to be hot, and then I'll put all of the ingredients. Oh, can you put it now? Can you take this away, please? Okay. And please, guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, follow to our YouTube channel. I'll take it away. Guys, has been 13 minutes. Now I'm gonna be frying my steak. First, you have to put what? It's melted. Hey, it's melted. It's not actually still a bit hot. Oh man, this is not young. I know. I give mommy for cooking it up, and I gotta take care of you.
Thank you, Papa. So cute.
So we gotta put it in the air fryer. Hey guys, this is how it looks like. Can you guys see how bomb this looks? Hey guys, I'm gonna be making my sauce. So first things first, here we have some cooking wine. What behind you though? Now I'll be putting inside my beef bouillon. Now I'll be putting my soy sauce. Last but not least, I'm going to be putting inside my cornstarch. And now let's take off my steak. Can I eat it? Can we eat it after? No, not now. But yeah, we could eat it after. Spin your hand. I'm going to hold it here for you, Susie. Thank you, Shane. You cannot take that, you can hold it here. You take that and you hold it here. It will fall. Tap that, you be a little bit faster. Shane, let's go do yours. Tap, tap, you be. Are you okay, Shane? Yes, I'm okay. I didn't hit myself. Shane, put it on top, okay? On top. Look at my baby got. Please God, give me some shit. God on here. Yes, Shane, God is helping you. Sometimes you need me a bit faster. Sometimes. This is the fun part. Now I'm going to be putting inside all of the ingredients. So first things first, I'm going to be putting inside my onions. First is what? First is me. You, me. You, me. You, me, you, me, you. And you're going to be putting, so you guys, my brother's going to be putting inside some bell pepper. Yeah, that's what I was saying. You, me. I know how to put it. Yeah. It's too hot. I'm not hitting myself. I'm not hitting myself. Now I'm going to be mixing. Oh. And we got to put the ingredients again. And we go put it. When you would now be putting inside my steak. Take care of you. Thank you, Shane. Can you eat the after? When we're done? Hey, I was here. Go, Susie. I was here first. Move. Move a little bit. Stop moving me. So you guys, now I'll be putting inside my sauce. So you guys, I'm gonna be putting some of my black pepper.
Mommy, that is because I'm boiling the banana prayer.
Now I'll be putting some of my cayenne pepper. I'm gonna be putting some of my green onion.
Hey, I put the meat. You me.
Mixing.
Hey.
You guys see how?
I'm not getting mommy salad. I'm getting
You guys see how brown this is? Guys, this looks so good. And I can't wait until we put in the rice.
I'm doing this study because I want to be very good. Now why? Because it's so long. Everything is fine. Just pick it back up.
Yeah, you need more power.
You need more power to help. We are not dumb on help because you don't help somebody. You don't help somebody when they need help. God is not going to bless you.
This is the end results. This is how it looks like. We're going to pray and then we're going to eat. Amen.
Amen.
God bless this food, bless this food as a half day for life, day for everything. Amen. I am blessed, I'm protected. God bless me. I can be born to be in life forever. Amen.
This is mine. I don't want to taste the meat.
Taste the rice first.
Meat is too hot. Why is it hot? Why does that thing always hit me so much? And that's it.
Wow, this is so delicious.
Taste it with the soup. Is it really good when you taste it with the soup? I really don't want to taste it with the soup.
Same. We're going to do this first. I hope this is made it to the end, okay?
I know that is just a game.
This for those who made it to the end.
I'm not showing mine. That's because I liked it. Hey, I want guys to put soup there.
This is so good.
Did this taste the meat? Denise!
By the way, guys, I hope you guys have a very amazing day. And this food is super, super delicious. Shane loves it so much. Same with me. And yeah, guys, I'm going to send my dad
To this!
Bye, guys.
Bye guys, to this!
Hope you guys have an amazing day.
I will show you this too. I will show you my niece at church. Yeah!